Okay guys, so welcome to the first video on Tynker, which is something that the digital creativity class for 6th grade will be introduced to very soon. So this is basically a program, well, not really a program, but a website where you create animations, stop frame animations, or just whatever, just animations basically, on, well, with commands on it. Command blocks, which are actually really cool things to work with. So today we're just going to be going over what you will see whenever you enter Tynker. So this is going to say Kansas Township Digital Creativity, because that's the class that we are in. And it's going to say start lesson 1. I'm on lesson 4, so that's obviously right now. But that's what it's going to tell me. So as you progress, it's going to have that button for the next thing. So here are your lessons. You have Welcome to Tynker, the basics, stop motion animation, turtle graphics, storytelling, and an introduction to the physics engine. So those are all things that we will be going over in episodes, but not right now. We're just going to introduce you to some things now. So over here you have this little monster kind of dude who we can call Jim for now. And so Jim has all of these options that you can click on for tutorials, really, just videos that tell you how to do things. You can ask a question, and if you type something, he will take you to the forums and try to answer your question. But it's really kind of, not really buggy, but it's really basic, so you can't just go typing some elaborate question into this. You have to go to the forum directly. So up here you can see Tynker, and you can see the classroom where I am right now. So if you click classroom, like I just did, then it'll show you this page right here. If you do my projects, where we're going to go next, you have this big blue button that says create a new project, and that's where you'll go every time that you want to create a new project, obviously. And over here you also have the button, but I prefer the big blue one. So these are projects that you've already made. So 2 of mine are untitled, and this is one that's kind of in the workings. This is Make the Dragon Fly, which is, I think both of these are something that you'll run into on some of the lessons whenever you make this. And down here we have favorite projects, which are some things that you can just play around with. So it'll say your name, your profile, obviously, and your last login. But right here you can search your projects, which is really helpful if you have like a bunch of them just listed. So Jim will say hello in like hundreds of different languages apparently, but let's ask a question so we can go to the forum, because that's the next place we'll be going. So let's just say create a new project. Let's ask him. Okay, well, see, like I was saying, he is very basic, so he could not find info for creating a new project. So it's easier if you just click on this up here. His face will kind of light up and you mouse over him. And then it'll take you to the forum. So here you have all of these video guides, which are more experienced people trying to guide you along with videos, pretty much what I'm doing right now. Then you have How Do I, which are just questions that are frequently asked, for FAQs, frequently asked questions, and they will try to answer those. So over here you have a side menu that's very easy to navigate and will help you with all of the stuff. Block references. I kind of interrupted myself. Blocks reference. So these are the things that you'll be using whenever you code. And if you have any questions on them, then you can click here. So that'll probably help you a lot. So this is the first episode for this. In the next episode, we should be getting into the first lesson, which is Welcome to Tynker. So stay tuned, and I'll see how far I can go with you guys' attention still on hand.